Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add your Lidl Plus card to your Apple Wallet. First, you need to download an app because Apple Wallet does not allow you to add the Lidl Plus card directly. Go to the App Store on your iPhone and search for an app called Pass4 Wallet. Once you find it, download and install it on your device. After the app is installed, open it. When you launch the app, it will ask you to enter your card information. Now, you need to get these details from your Lidl Plus app. Open the Lidl Plus app on your phone. Log in if needed, and then go to your digital card. Tap on your card to view its full details. You will see important information such as the barcode or QR code and card number. Now, copy the required details from the Lidl Plus app. Once you have them, go back to the Pass4 Wallet app. Enter the information into the required fields. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any issues. You also have the option to scan the QR code directly instead of entering details manually. This can be quicker and more accurate. After filling in the information or scanning the code, tap on the option that says Add to Wallet. The app will then create a pass and automatically add your Lidl Plus card to your Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching.